It has been frustrating to get to this point, but we are now about ready to begin.
Up on the main! Up on the main! Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's communication to the batteries.
Large tie wrap, somebody.
You get 120 kg downward vertical thrust.
This is the most fantastic tool since the Apollo mission. The deep ocean is Earth's last frontier.
There she is.
We're bringing together a submersible that's a prototype, a group of people that have never worked together before.
Hey Jim, pull yours away.
To do something that's never been done before.
A little slack on the tag lines.
Give me some.
Quick, give me some. Start lifting it, then put them in CT.
Down on main.
Very, very scary. Boats popping up and down, and the hook's going over there, and the hook's going over here, and you got to catch it. And if you miss it, you know, the submarine gets destroyed.
What you're looking at is the most advanced deep diving submersible in human history.
This submersible is the equivalent of a moonshot.
If you're claustrophobic, you definitely do not want to be in here, especially when you go down at depth.
We're standing by for instructions. We're ready to pump the trunk and get under.
LF, you're clear to begin your diving procedure.
Stand by, roger that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Submarine is submerged.
Fantastic.
But it's the first time that we've had the sub down in the dark, down into abyssal depths. It's the first time Victor's been to those depths. So yeah, there's some nervousness.
425 meters.
Sounds like they're sticking to the dive plan.
I read you clear but weak. Clear but weak.
There it is.
Okay, now I'm not able to hear you guys when I'm running the thrusters, but as soon as I come off them, I've got you loud and clear.
Okay, then let me turn the power on.
I see the bottom. I see the bottom. There you go.
There you go. You're starting to get like a rock ridge there.
We have isolated pressure. Swimmer is welcome on board.
Extremely excited. This is the first time I've gone in the submarine and dived in it. It does dive, but going to the 5 deeps is absolutely going to happen. I'm convinced of that, and we'll just keep moving forward on that basis.